Okay, so what we have here is Neil and my hack to control the jumping sumo over WebRTC. Got a plain Jane Chrome browser here connected to the Janus WebRTC gateway. If we press start, it should, with any luck, connect to the drone, so we can move forwards and a bit more forwards, and we can jump and yeah, turn right, go forwards a bit more, forward some more, and a bit more right. Let's see if we can get through that doorway. I doubt it. I don't think there's quite room. We can go and meet the Hoover if we do. Going to inspect my CD collection. And so on. So what we're using here is the Janus WebRTC stack, which is a server-side C engine tied to GStreamer and tied to the AR drone SDK. So this is a big C project with a little bit of JavaScript in the front end. So yeah, that's our hack.